Hey everybody, how you doing? It's me, Timothy, and I'm doing another unboxing video from one of my subscribers. I went down to the P.O. Box today and there was a key in my mailbox, so it meant I had a package. So let's see what I got in this box today. And whoever sent this got the box didn't stay closed good. Well, let's open this. Oh, okay. I got some whiskey shot glasses. Whoa! Oh, wow. Check that out, people. Ain't that cool? Got some little glasses I can put my drinks in. Wow, ain't that sweet? Wow, whoever did this, thank you very much. I really appreciate it. Big time. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Hey, I might use one of these tonight for a drink I'm going to be making. Or maybe, yeah, might not, who knows. But yeah, thank you, whoever did this. I would really appreciate it. But yeah, ain't that cool, people? Got some glasses. Yeah, look at that. Ain't that pretty cool? Yeah, got some shot glasses. Well, I could pour some of my whiskey in here. And with some ice and some Coke. And then I could sip it away. Sip, sip, sip. Wow. Thank you, whoever did it. I really, really appreciate it big time. I know I was warned that I was going to be getting something today. I received something, and I did. I think it's from Alexander. Thank you, Alexander. I really appreciate it. Thank you, thank you, thank you very much. Yeah, so you know, if any of you want to do things like this, feel free, man. I do got a P.O. Box. You could do things like that. So feel free to do it if you want to. All I'm saying, if you don't, well, that's fine with me. But if you do, feel free. You know, I always put my P.O. Box always in the description box below. So always check my description box down below. Well, everybody, I hope all of you enjoyed this unboxing here. Another unboxing one. And if you did, can you go thumbs up? Smash that thumbs up button. Can you do that? If you're new and you came along this unboxing, can you hit that red subscribe button down there and subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos here I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also hit that notification bell whenever I upload a video. you'll be notified when YouTube allows you and lets you. You know how YouTube is, people. But hit it anyways. But until my next unboxing, they call me Unboxing with Timothy. And this unboxing video's over. Have a good one and take care.